Upon everything, sometimes I miss Lebanon. You know, there are some things that makes me miss Lebanon. Something really positive about me when I was in Lebanon. And hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and please like this video and share. If you've been here with me for some time now, you know by now that before Dubai, I came from Lebanon. I am going to be rating me being in Lebanon and in Dubai, which of them ranks higher. Yeah, so for the beginning, I love Lebanon. I love Lebanon, especially their food and the weather. Upon everything, sometimes I miss Lebanon, not because of my work, but I just love the country. Like there are some things that makes me miss Lebanon. Yeah, so let's start with work. So when it comes to work in Lebanon, I was working there as a housemaid, and here I am working as a sales associate. In Lebanon, when I was working in Lebanon, since I was working at home, I think I had a lot more time for my body, for my skin, for my hair, which is something really positive about me when I was in Lebanon. And it's not like I don't have the time here. I do have the time, but over there, because I was alone, not with any family, I think I had a lot of time for myself. Here I have friends here. I can go out anytime. I go out anytime. Over there, I don't get to go out. Yeah, I can go out, but I never went out to anywhere like on my own like I do here always. Yeah, so yeah, over there I don't get to go out, and here I go out anytime. Even today, I closed from work at 10 and I got home around 12 something. I don't stay with my husband. My husband is living far from here. Yeah, so I got home around 12 something because I was out with my friends. We had to go buy some items and all. So I got home almost 1 a.m. But over there, you wake up, I finish my work, and then I help the kids to go to school. I take them to the bus, and after that I finish my work and I have the whole day all to myself. I go to the washroom, I make hair mask, like I do a lot of things. And that's because I had a lot of time on my side. Yeah, so that is one thing that I miss about Lebanon. I miss about me being in Lebanon. Yeah, and this Dubai, of course I do have the time. I closed from work, I came home, and even my work is more flexible. My work is very flexible. People who know me always say that, oh, whenever I see you, you're always sitting and stuff. My work is very flexible. I go to work around 12 p.m. and I close at 10, which is very, very good. But when I come back from work, I have friends. Sometimes me and my friends will be talking on the way. We stand on the way for about 1 hour, sometimes 2 hours. Around 11:30 I'll get home. Yeah, so because I have friends here, my husband is here, I am too free. I don't really get a lot of time for my hair. And then yeah, and then in Lebanon I was in shape. Yeah, when I was in Lebanon I was really in shape. Not because I didn't have food to eat. For food in Lebanon, I think I couldn't say anything about, like, I can't say anything negative about eating. But here, I get to eat whenever I want and whatever I want. Yeah, here I get to eat whenever I want and whatever I want. I have fufu machine here. I have like literally everything I want. Yeah, so I can just eat whatever I want. My fridge is full. Yeah, so of course I eat anyhow. I eat whenever I want and whatever I want. So it's different. I'm still in shape, but yeah. So the next thing we're gonna talk about is the working hours over there. The working hours there was crazy. It was very crazy. Example, you'll be sleeping at night and my madam used to call me, Matilda, there is a cat crying outside. Can you go bring him? And I loved cat as well. I'll be like, okay, I'm going to bring him. I'll go, no problem. Like, why should you wake me up at 12 a.m. to go and bring cat? 2 a.m. Yeah, it was 2 a.m. Why should you wake me up at 2 a.m. to go and bring cat that is crying from outside? Here, nobody does that. You finish your work, you come home, and you have no issue with no one. Even when I do overtimes, I get my time back. Yes, whenever I do overtime, I get my time back or money. Yeah, so I still love Lebanon, by the way. The Lebanese food, it's very expensive here. The food that I did not appreciate when I was there, over here it's really, really, really expensive. Very expensive. I remember the last time we wanted to go to a Lebanese restaurant, I think 3 months back. We just wanted to eat Arabic food, and when it comes to Arabic food, Lebanon is one of them, which have very good food. And I think for 2 couples it would cost about almost 500 dirham, which means it's very expensive here. The food that I used to get free to eat, even though I know how to cook them, I wouldn't want to cook Lebanese food at home. I cook Lebanese food very well. Yeah, so Lebanese food is one of the things that make me miss Lebanon. But of course, UAE, I would always choose me working in UAE over Lebanon. It's not the same. It is not the same. Oh, here my husband is here. I can always go home if I want. I can always go home if I want. Yeah, so I would always choose UAE. Here I have off days. There I never got an off day. Even though on Sundays, when I was in Lebanon, on Sundays I didn't used to work a lot. Yeah, it wasn't an off day, but usually on Sundays my madam wouldn't let me cook. She tried to minimize the work on Sunday. So even if I have ironing on Sundays, she didn't used to bother me on Sundays. I would always choose Dubai over Lebanon. You know, here in Dubai I have Friday off. Every Friday I have off. I go wherever I want, anywhere I want. In Lebanon I never got my salary in cash until I was going. Even when I was going to Ghana, they didn't give me my salary in cash. She transferred it. I never saw money, like money in cash. No. Here every month I get my money from the bank and by cash. Yeah, so like I said before, I will always choose. My voice is going. I'm losing my voice. I will always choose UAE over Lebanon. What's wrong? Yeah, so that is it. Thank you very much for watching. Suppose you have subscribed. If you haven't, please make sure to do. Share this video and be part of this family. I love you.